Welcome. Today in front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the power key button on the right side of my phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast the switcher is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner here works correct, and just we can unlock the device less than in a couple of seconds. This is the good result for the fingerprint scanner, and I just wanna suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful because the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.